Go right in there. That snow's taller than you. Can you climb it?
Yeah, help me.
Then we'll try it.
I'll climb over this side.
Okay. There you go. Now you're doing it. Climbing the mountain.
What?
That's from the did it.
That's the experience from climbing up houses all the time.
Deep.
You did it. Can you climb on the high part? Whoa.
Wow.
Keep trying. Are you stuck? Keep trying. I think you can do it. Can you do it? You're up there now. Top of the mountain. Hey, you're as tall as I am. Look it. You're as tall as I am.
But I can't deep. You want me deep?
Hmm?
I want it deep.
You want to get deep?
Yep.
Yeah?